Welcome to our Shopify tutorials. Today we will learn how to retrieve a count of checkouts with Postman in Shopify. Retrieving a count of checkouts will tell you how many clients abandoned the checkout after the first page. It will collect a count of checkouts from the past 90 days. Now we will retrieve a count of checkouts with the Postman. You can watch this video to learn how to access Shopify API. After you have accessed the Shopify API, create a new get with this endpoint. Then click Send. As you can see, the API will return the number of checkouts. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about Shopify API. If you have any suggestions or questions, give us in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bihixa, connecting applications, automating processes.